Hey guys, Soon here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we got something other than Supreme for you guys. This is a relatively old item. It's been sitting for some time. I had it in my room and I haven't unboxed it. I've been waiting for another item to come so I could unbox it together, but I don't think that's gonna be anytime soon. So I figure I'll unbox this and I'll save that one for later. The item we're gonna be unboxing is Travis Scott. He's been blowing up recently with his McDonald's deal. You have the $6 meal deal with the Sprite quarter pounder and the fries. I personally had it myself. It's okay. The size of the meal portion is okay. For $6, you can't beat the price though. So definitely, if you are looking for a value, that's definitely the way to go. Right now, it's not the review for the food itself. So let's go ahead and open and show you what I got. It is Travis Scott item, but it's not the most recent one. The most recent one was the McDonald's collab. He did like 3 different drops, and I did get something. So as soon as it comes, I'll show you guys what I got. But this is the old one. This dropped late May towards June, and it came again 3 months shipping for Travis Scott stuff. And it came and it's been just sitting there. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what I got. If you guys have been following his thing, so you guys may kind of guess what it is. But it came in this like tight packaging, and it's for the size, and it does have some weight because it is very condensed. So I'll open it up and show you. And it came like this in a Ziploc bag. Within the bag, it is the Cactus Jack portable hammock. We have the Cactus Jack logo, so I'll open the Ziploc bag, and everything is condensed into this little bag here. In the front, it has the Cactus Jack logo, and it has like a creative, like a mountain logo. I think that's pretty cool that they did a little custom logoing there. And if you pull the string and open it up, you're gonna have a rope and another one and entire hammock. Actually, that's pretty dope. The pouch itself kind of falls out and everything is attached to this, so you cannot lose this pouch. I like that. And then if you unravel this, you have the entire hammock. I believe the hammock really doesn't have that much graphic. It does have just the Cactus Jack logo, which is going to be on the bottom. I'm going to try to see if you guys could get this shot. But it has the Cactus Jack logo all the way through. And then at the end of the hammock, 2 ends, you have this clip thing. I forget what the technical term for this is, but it's definitely not for climbing. It doesn't feel that durable at all. And then it has this loop that is circled too, so you just go ahead and just kind of clip this on and have the hammock. Okay, I had to go Google what this was called because it was bothering me. It's carabiners. On the carabiner itself, it does has the Cactus Jack logo on it, same logo as what was on the pouch. So it has this same logo here. With the 2 mountain on the both side of the carabiner. Let me see if the logo itself also has a mountain. No, it does not. But this logo is gonna be facing down, and the hammock itself is pretty big, so pretty dope. And you have this extra rope tying up to the trees if needed. This is gonna be used during my camping. I also do have the stand coming, so I could put it in the backyard, so I don't have to rely on the tree necessarily for this hammock, but I'm excited to use this. It is getting towards the fall, winter, so probably not gonna be able to use it too much, but I do have the stand, that metal pole stand that's coming, so I'm gonna try to set this up, leave it outside so I could kind of relax on the hammock, so that's gonna be dope. It definitely is not a high quality hammock though. It's very thin. I'm not sure how much it's gonna withstand in terms of the weight, but it's really thin, very light fabric. So I don't anticipate this gonna be holding out for too long. The retail price for this was 80 bucks with tax and shipping. It came out to be close to 100 bucks. So as far as the price for the quality, I think it's pretty, I don't think it's the best price at all. It's definitely paying for the luxury and brand name itself. So $100 hammock, I think you could get a pretty decent one. I'm trying to recall how much the Supreme one was. I actually wanted that really badly as well, but I couldn't get that one, so I kind of had to resort to this. When I saw this for camping gear that came out, I was like, okay, I need to get this. there was a sleeping bag that I believe was the same drop as this. I could be wrong, but I didn't get that because I do have sleeping bag already. I figure let me get the hammock first and see how it goes. I'm gonna slowly keep growing my camping gears. That said, again, this was 80 bucks. I believe StockX is about same price, so there's definitely no resale value on this whatsoever. So if you did miss the drop and you do want it, head over to StockX or some other places. You should be able to get it in pretty much close to retail price, maybe even cheaper, because you know it's not as hyped as Supreme items and whatnot. So, but as far as me, I'm gonna be continue using this. It's not gonna be something that gets stowed away. Again, whether it be out on my backyard or if during camping, I'm definitely gonna be using this and potentially upgrade later on. But it will do its job for now. I'll keep this one short. That being said, I'll give you guys a closer look as always, and we'll wrap it up.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're